Guys, it's Billy the Bird. Billy the Bird right here. See him up there? Does he have kids up there? This bird's been hitting its head all over this room. I don't know if greenhouse. Oh, is that Billy? Billy. Yeah, I'm that bored. All alone here. I got here late. They all left. Don't know where they could be. Could be gone all day. So I'm just filming a bird. 'Cause why not? Let's get a close up of Billy. Billy. See, he doesn't like me. He's scared. Oh, Billy. Gently approach the specimen. A wild bird in its natural habitat. What will it do next? It'll fly away from me, back and forth across the room. Oh? See that thing? It's just flying. Billy! Billy, come on. You in here? You are at school. What is that? Billy? Billy, calm yourself. Billy, please. Screw Billy. All alone. Yeah. That's Crystal's stuff. Kurt's stuff. Taylor's stuff. Argio's stuff. Putting some stuff in his backpack. I'm bored. And you got little Matt's stuff. What? You wanna go, Lucy? You following me here too, demon? Hey. You loose? I don't trust that. Nope. You're not just gonna close that door. No, Lucy the demon. All alone. Got a little chainsaw. Mr. P's truck. Chainsaw is sharp. Okay. Just careful not to cut yourself. I'll see that rock. That rock in my bag. Cause why not? I'm bored. I'm bored and alone. Just like being at home, ain't it? Except I'm here at school. Yay! School. Fun. You know what? I'm gonna explore. See, this is the greenhouse. This is the locker.